Mercedes Benz W140 Radio upgrade for Bluetooth. Your W140 came with amazing sound system that does not have Bluetooth. It may be outdated, but it's still a great system. The best thing to do is to add a Bluetooth adapter to this original Bose sound system. This way, you get to have the modern technology of Bluetooth and keep the original system, and therefore retaining the resale value of this beautiful W140.
Okay, we've got a W202 2000 Mercedes Benz C-Class. It's got the original Mercedes Benz radio in it, which doesn't work off those cheap eBay Bluetooth connectors. I went and saw the Gizmo Guy's a Bluetooth connector, which works on all European cars, and it definitely works on our one. Very easy to connect. We've got an Android and a Apple phone, and it connects on both of them, works very well on both. The sound is as good as anything through the radios. We're very happy with it. Do you want to turn on the Bluetooth?
Well, it's on at the moment.
That obviously is the fact that Churchill didn't go to Dundee very much. He would go once or
so
twice.
That's playing there now. The sound is quite good.
But generally speaking,
we really like it. It's very good. We're very happy with it. Thank you.
This is a short video of Gizmo Guy Gadget that's installed in my 2005 Mercedes Benz SL600. Quick view of the install, which is a hidden install, and is basically a permanent install. Once this unit is installed and powered, all you have to do is bring your iPhone into the vehicle and it starts playing instantly. If I can get it. Go, come on.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I just would like to do a quick review for the Gizmo Guy transmitter that I got recently. That's the professional edition, I think they called it, or something like that. It's can be used, or it's need to be used with any car that it doesn't have a built-in Bluetooth. So simply the phone will be connected to this device by Bluetooth, and then it's transmitting on a specific radio channel, and that you can choose, and then you listen to the music exactly like you have a Bluetooth in your car. What I did just extra, I didn't connect it to the lighter here just to get better results. I connected to a battery bank here, as you can see. That's the battery bank here, and that's the USB power for it, and it's just sound perfect, exactly like Bluetooth. So here's my phone. I will hit play here.
Get your gadget at GizmoGuyGadgets.com.
Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget is a simple gadget that allows you to add streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as GPS navigation from your smartphone right through your older car stereo system. You do not need to replace the head unit. You do not need to take it out or take it apart by adding anything to it. All you got to do is plug in the Gizmo Guy Gadget into your car and set your radio, and then you're ready to go.
The sound system in the Mercedes Benz W140 was designed to provide a premium listening experience, catering to the taste of discerning driver and passenger who appreciate both top-notch audio quality and the comfort of the S-Class ride. The Bose sound system in the W140 features multiple speakers placed strategically throughout the cabin. It utilizes advanced audio processing technology to optimize sound reproduction, delivering rich and immersive audio quality with multi-channel amplifier. This system automatically adjusts the bass level to maintain consistent audio quality. This allows for individual channels to power specific speakers, enhancing the soundstage and creating a more realistic listening experience. It would be a shame to replace the original sound system of this Mercedes S-Class W140. The Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget is designed specifically for this reason. You can plug in my Gizmo Guy Gadget to your iPhone and you'll be able to listen to all your music from your iPhone right through your Mercedes factory radio system without static, and you'll sound just like CD. It doesn't matter if you have navigational system or not, or simply just the Bose system. I have a newer Mercedes that has a cradle for Bluetooth connections. There's no reason for you to get this. This thing costs about $400 even now. From eBay, it's about $100, $200. And it's completely outdated. It's using the outdated Bluetooth technology. Gizmo Guy Gadget will provide you with the latest Bluetooth technology so you can stream all your music from your phone right through your original Mercedes sound system without any sort of modification. You can keep everything exactly the way it is and add Bluetooth music to this system right here. You will get to keep all your controls. Everything will be exactly the same. All your remote controls for your accessories will remain intact. There's no need to sacrifice any convenience features that you already paid for. All you gotta do, just use the Gizmo Guy Gadget and you will get to keep everything, all your options. You get to keep the beautiful interior design of the Mercedes Benz, the little thoughtful things that come with the Mercedes Benz and only with the Mercedes Benz. Just look at this beautiful design and thoughtful little things that come with the only Mercedes Benz. It would be a shame to replace or disable any of these features. And you're ready to enjoy all your smartphone features through your older car factory radio without Bluetooth. You can add Bluetooth capability by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Simply use the Gizmo Guy Gadget, plug it in, and you'll add Bluetooth capability to any old car radio. Thank you for watching my video. For more information about the product, please go to my website at gizmoguygadgets.com. gizmoguygadgets.com. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.